Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about benefits of using Himalayan pink salt. The information provided in this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended as the substitute for professional medical advice. Himalayan pink salt, a natural mineral found deep within the Himalayan mountains, is a celebrated natural remedy known for its wide range of health benefits. This unique salt, with its distinctive pink hue, has gained popularity for its rich mineral content and therapeutic properties. Unlike regular table salt, which is heavily processed and stripped of its natural minerals, pink salt is minimally processed, retaining over 84 trace minerals and elements, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, and iron. These minerals not only give pink salt its characteristic color, but also contribute to its numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet and a natural remedy for various ailments. One of the primary benefits of pink salt is its ability to help balance the body's electrolytes. Electrolytes are crucial for maintaining proper hydration, muscle function, and overall cellular health. They play a vital role in regulating nerve function, muscle contractions, and even heart rhythms. Unlike refined table salt, which primarily consists of sodium chloride, pink salt provides a more balanced intake of sodium along with other essential minerals. This balance can help prevent dehydration, muscle cramps, and other issues related to electrolyte imbalances. For athletes and individuals who engage in intense physical activity, pink salt can be an excellent natural alternative to commercial sports drinks, providing essential electrolytes without the added sugars and artificial ingredients. In addition to its role in hydration and electrolyte balance, pink salt also supports digestive health. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and stomach acids, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Proper digestion is crucial for overall health, as it ensures that the body can efficiently extract and utilize the nutrients from the foods we eat. Incorporating pink salt into meals can help prevent digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation. It can also aid in detoxifying the body by promoting healthy liver function and supporting the elimination of toxins. This detoxifying effect can be particularly beneficial in today's world, where exposure to environmental toxins and processed foods is common. Pink salt is known for its respiratory benefits. Salt therapy, or halotherapy, is an alternative treatment that involves inhaling salt particles to improve respiratory conditions. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of pink salt make it an effective remedy for respiratory issues such as asthma, allergies, sinus infections, and bronchitis. The inhalation of salt particles can help reduce inflammation, loosen mucus, and clear the airways, providing relief from congestion and improving overall respiratory function. This natural therapy has been used for centuries and continues to be a popular alternative treatment for those seeking relief from chronic respiratory conditions. Another significant benefit of pink salt is its positive impact on skin health. When used in bath salts or scrubs, pink salt can help exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smooth, radiant complexion. The minerals in pink salt can also soothe and heal various skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Bathing in a pink salt solution can help alleviate itching, redness, and irritation, providing relief for those with sensitive or problematic skin. Additionally, the detoxifying properties of pink salt can help draw out impurities from the skin, leaving it feeling clean and refreshed. This makes pink salt an excellent natural ingredient for skincare routines, offering a gentle and effective way to maintain healthy, glowing skin. Pink salt is also known to support bone health due to its rich mineral content. Calcium and magnesium, two essential minerals found in pink salt, play a critical role in maintaining bone density and strength. A diet deficient in these minerals can lead to weakened bones and an increased risk of osteoporosis. By incorporating pink salt into the diet, individuals can ensure they are getting adequate amounts of these vital nutrients, supporting overall bone health and reducing the risk of bone-related issues. Moreover, the minerals in pink salt can help maintain a healthy pH balance in the body, preventing acidosis, which can contribute to bone demineralization. Blood sugar regulation is another area where pink salt can be beneficial. The minerals in pink salt can help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, making it a helpful dietary addition for individuals with diabetes, or those at risk of developing the condition. Unlike refined table salt, which can cause blood sugar spikes, pink salt's natural composition helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This can help prevent the peaks and crashes associated with high sugar intake, providing a more balanced and sustainable source of energy throughout the day. Lastly, pink salt can promote better sleep quality, which is essential for overall health and well-being. The magnesium in pink salt has relaxing properties that can help calm the nervous system and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. A warm bath with pink salt before bed can further enhance its relaxing effects, providing a natural way to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Good sleep is crucial for cognitive function, emotional regulation, and physical health, and incorporating pink salt into the daily routine can support these aspects of well-being. Himalayan pink salt offers a myriad of health benefits that go beyond its culinary uses. From balancing electrolytes and improving digestion to supporting respiratory and skin health, this natural mineral-rich salt is a valuable addition to any diet and wellness regimen. Its unique composition of over 84 trace minerals and elements provides essential nutrients that support overall health, making it a versatile and holistic remedy. Whether used in cooking as a skincare ingredient or in therapeutic practices, pink salt is a natural way to enhance well-being and promote a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video useful, like and share this with your friends and subscribe for more useful videos.